Hello everyone, my name is Persh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock and easily remove any Windows operating system login password, administrator password, Microsoft account password. In short, any password you have on your Windows operating system, you can easily unlock, because sometimes we forget our own Windows system password and also have not accessed any recovery option, and you set whether it's a PIN password or 4-digit, 6-digit or a alphanumeric password, or in some laptop it's a Face ID or a fingerprint password. So you can unlock all kind of password very easily. And also in this video I have a surprise giveaway for all of you, so watch the video till the end to get confirm entries. So without taking any more time, let's jump to the computer screen and start this process. Alright, for this process we will use the tool called Password4WinKey. It's a Windows password recovery tool for all the Windows version like Windows 10, Windows 8, 7, Vista, Windows XP and Windows servers also. So links in the description, you can check out the tool from there. And as I told you in the starting, it will remove, reset, delete all types of Windows password very easily, like hello pin password, security key, Face ID, fingerprint and normal password also. You can download the Windows password recovery tool for Windows and Mac OS. So just simply install it. After that, click on start and you will see Password4WinKey. Now you need to use the USB drive or a CD drive to make the ISO file bootable to unlocking your Windows password. So I have a USB stick. You can use the CD or DVD also. After inserting that, just click on next. After that, it will create a Windows password recovery disk or USB. So you just wait for it to get complete. Now the process is completed. Now you need to reboot your PC and then go to your BIOS settings and boot from the USB stick. If you don't know how to boot from USB stick and go to your BIOS, you can check all these settings, and the BIOS shortcut key are given here for different kind of models according to your PC. So you can check out from the list and you will get the BIOS shortcuts. You can see the different kind of BIOS for UEFI and the legacy, both are supported. So you can check out all the shortcuts key according to your model, and then you can go from it and boot from the USB stick. Basically you require two computers, like one is a locked PC that you want to unlock it, and the other one is the normal one in which you have to install this Password4WinKey software and you have to make the ISO USB bootable, or we can say recovery disk. After that you have to remove that USB stick from the normal PC and insert it on the locked PC, and then you have to reboot the locked PC and go to the BIOS settings and then select the USB stick, and then you can run the password recovery tool disk, and then you can easily remove the Windows password. So I will show you complete step by step. So make sure that you will require two PC, one is a normal PC and the other one is a locked PC. Now for the practical, I'll show you. This is the locked PC. As you can see, it asking for the password and the pin. I will insert the USB stick here, which I make the recovery disk from the Password4WinKey. After that, just simply reboot this PC. Now just go to your BIOS settings. Now select the USB stick and click on enter, and it will run the Password4WinKey recovery tool process. Now you need to select your Windows operating system. As you can see, the USB stick is there, and you will get your Windows operating system, Windows version, and then your drive partition. And after selecting that, just click on next. In my case, it's Windows 10, and you will see all your accounts password and the username here. So you will see the administrator password and the other guest account, and you have account that is created. So you can select your account in which you want to remove the password, and you can remove the password or reset it, or you can create, or you can remove the account also. So you can select the option according to that. So I want to remove the password, so I will select the account and click on next. Now you can see it start removing your account password, so just wait for it to get complete. After that, you can see it's removed now. Now you need to simply reboot your PC, and there is no password anymore, so just reboot your PC. Now after that login screen, you will see some prompt that congratulations, your password is removed. Just click on OK and you will see there is no password anymore. So I will just click on OK or enter, and you will see there is no password anymore. The password is successfully removed, and you will directly log in into your Windows machine. And the best part of this tool is there is no data loss, and as you can see, all the data is saved and the password or pin is successfully removed. So let me just sign out again and log in again, so that it will be sure that there is no password. And you can see you can also reset or completely Windows removed and there is no password. So now as you can see, I have logged out and sign in again, and there is no password or a pin, it asking for it previously. So this is how you can use the Passwave 4WinKey tool to remove any kind of Windows password. Now let's talk about the giveaway. I am giving the free license key of the Tenorshare reboot. All you need to do is you need to confirm all your entries displaying on the screen, and you have to check out the description link to confirm your entries. So if you are interested in this tool, you can check out all the buying option of this tool. The trial version has some limitation, so you will get the pro version, in that you will access all the feature of this tool. There are other 30% off running on the channel, so you can check out the coupon code also. So links in the description. Do check out for complete information. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.